when we open Blender, we have a cube, so we're gonna copy and paste it, and we're just gonna grab it and move it, then copy and paste it again. So we're just gonna generate various objects. And we're gonna place a sphere. Again, we're gonna scale it, just grab it, move it, and when we are happy with whatever it is that we've done, we're going to export it as an STL file. So this is going to be the most basic way of actually making a composition with 3D models. Then at this point it's ready for printing, so we can bring the slicer on, add the component, adjust the size if you need to. That's ready. So similarly, you can do the same thing with any models that you download. In this case, we are going to import 3 different models. Now that the 3 models are in the Blender workspace, we're just going to arrange them. I press the R key to rotate, and the G key to grab and move them. Just very basic arrangement here, but just to show how you can actually put them together. And again, we're going to export them, export as an STL. Just going to delete everything and add again. Now if we slice it, given that originally there were 3 different models, once you slice it, if we use the toolbar on the right hand side to see the layers, we can see how it's now a single model. That's ready for printing.